Our lesson for today is all about fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. Example, 3 over 4. 3, the number above the line, is called your numerator. And 4, the number below the line, is called denominator. The line that separates your numerator and denominator is what we call a fraction bar. So in 3 over 4, we have 3 as your numerator, 4 is your denominator, and the line that separates 3 and 4 is what we call a fraction bar. There are different types of fractions. We have unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed number, similar fractions, and dissimilar fractions. First, we will discuss unit fraction. A unit fraction is a fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. Example is 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, and 1 over 5. Those are examples of a unit fraction. Next is what we have, a proper fraction. These are fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Examples, 3 over 4, 2 over 3, 8 over 10, 2 over 5. These fractions have less numerator and greater denominator. That is a proper fraction. Again, next we have improper fraction. These are fractions in which the numerator is more or equal to the denominator. Example, 4 over 3, 5 over 4, 10 over 6, or 5 over 5. These fractions have more numerator than the denominator or equal numerator and denominator. Those are examples of an improper fraction. Next, we have mixed number. Mixed number or mixed fractions. These are consist of a whole number along with a proper fraction. Examples, 1 and 2 over 4, 3 and 3 over 4, 2 and 1/3, or 5 and 2 over 6. Those are example of a mixed number. It has a combination of whole number and a fraction. There are another type of fractions. There are similar fractions and dissimilar fractions. Similar fractions and dissimilar fractions. Similar fractions have the same denominators or also called as like fraction. Similar fractions or like fractions. Example, 2 over 9, 4 over 9, 5 over 9, 6 over 9. As you can see, In our examples, all set of fractions have the same denominator. These are similar fractions or like fractions. Next is dissimilar fractions. These are set of fractions that do not have the same denominators or also called as unlike fractions. Example is 5 over 9, 3 over 5, 7 over 8, and 2 over 5. These fractions do not have the same denominator, so these are dissimilar fractions or unlike fractions.